All right, just got parked here at Hallaway Hill. This area is also has a picnic area. There's a swimming beach down on the lake there. We're going to take and head up to the trail. And Hallaway Hill Trail is, I think, the most popular trail here at Maplewood State Park. You see lots of cars parked over there and here, so okay, let's head over to Hallaway Hill. Okay, Hallaway Hill. Blackbirds. I think those are blackbirds. They're blackbirds or starling. And this is a restored native grass prairie that we'll be walking through. And in all the years I've been coming here, I've never seen the grass this tall. And it is every bit as tall as I am. Well, maybe. There's a lot of it's taller than me, but maybe a touch shorter. Wow. They have changed this trail from what it originally was. It used to just go straight up the hill, but in the last several years they changed the route so it kind of goes like a zigzag up the hill instead. That way it's not as steep. It's a further walk, but it's not as steep, so more people are able to do it, you know, just take it easy at a nice leisurely place. Beautiful yellow, gold, and red, light green. Nice. Right. Now we're into the trees. Beautiful. You sit on this bench, that's your view. Beautiful view. Stood there and looked a little bit longer than I was planning on. But anyways, here it is. This is the peak. This is the overlook of Hallaway Hill. Okay, here it is, the top of Hallaway Hill. Beautiful view. And it used to be a ski hill back in the day before it became a state park. The ski area was purchased in 1963 when and then it became a part of the state park, Maplewood State Park. And today it's been restored to its natural prairie. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? That tree's really beautiful color there. Take a look at this view, this direction. Kind of like that. Nice. And there we go. I'm heading back down. Take a look at this view down here at this switchback. Got this bench here. It's a nice view. Okay. Okay, continuing to walk down. This beautiful color of that tree. Nice. I would have spent a little bit more time up there, but then people showed up. But I had it to myself for a little while. That's all right. But I'm heading down, and going to have a little picnic when I get down there. Okay. I'm back. Hallaway Hill Overlook. Okay, I'm going to head back to the van. I'm going to have a bite to eat. Back at the van, obviously. Even though there's picnic tables over there, I didn't want to carry everything over there, so I just made my sandwiches here. I'm just going to eat right here. So, talk to you later. I'm in the shade, so got a nice little breeze coming through once in a while too. So, since I haven't been here for a few years, I decided to walk down here to this section down by the lake here. See if there's any changes down here. Well, from here it doesn't look like it. Still got the dock over there. We'll take a look at the swimming beach and see if that still looks the same as before. Alright, coming up to the beach. Yeah, it looks like nothing's changed down in this section. I'm surprised that they still have those markers out. Huh. Okay. Gonna walk back up to the main section of the picnic area. Okay, they have more parking over there. Bathrooms right there, restrooms. And up on the hill up there, the sheltered picnic area, and they also have picnic tables scattered around the area here too. Really nice picnic shelter here. Oh. I wonder if the bike trail is going to be coming over this direction too. I would imagine if it did, it'd be down from there. Well, there is a trail coming into here. Looks like it's just a hiking trail right now. So right now it does not look like the bike trail is coming over here. Maybe sometime in the future, I don't know. But right now this trail is just a regular trail. Okay, I'm going to head back to the van and then head over onto the park drive.